Well, hello there. This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, AI in banking is transforming the industry by automating processes, enhancing security, and also improving customer experiences. With these new AI innovations in place, fintech leaders and investors and innovators have gathered in Nairobi with artificial intelligence, digital lending, and data usage taking center stage. However, behind the new innovations, questions continue to grow over fairness, data privacy, and how Kenyan borrowers navigate the digital banking.
It has leapfrogged in many respects the traditional banking sector and brought the banking economy and financial literacy to a very much larger group of Kenyans than would otherwise have been the case. So fintech is playing a very important role in fueling economic development in Kenya.
When technology came in, then we now started serving what I call Kenya 2. This is the part of Kenya that did not have access to going to a physical bank branch. And out of existence of mobile payments like M-Pesa, ordinary person in a rural place, in a small center, could now open an e-wallet, which is an equivalent of a bank account.
And use technology, have such a big data field, such a big young marketplace. We can stress test model and use technology to change their lives, because technology can serve these long tail customers and can serve the younger demographic to follow them throughout life journey. It can be more sticky using our AI technology, have a better product experience so that they can enjoy financial service to have a better life.
Now, coastal marine economy